In this video, we are going to create comment or not method. This one be public function comment or not. It takes one parameter, that's the comment on. Then over here be dollar statement is equal to dollar this file notation PDO file notation prepare. This one be select all from comment where comment on is equal to colon comment on. The comment on is the post ID, which is this one. The comment on is the user, that's the post ID for that particular post. This one be, then we need to the semicolon, then this one be dollar statement file notation execute. This one be our array. Then our parameter comment on, then comma dollar comment on, then here will be semicolon. Over here will be dollar count is equal to dollar statement file notation row count, then here will be semicolon. Remember if dollar comment count is greater than 0, or if comment is not equal to 0, then over here we will return true, else return false. Okay, so now this is what we have. Then over here so this one over here will be single quote then dot dot, then open up your brackets, then this one be dollar this file notation comment or not, then this one be dollar post file notation post underscore id. So if this is true, meaning that there is comment, then over here will be, then inside it will be commented colon, then we will leave it like that. So if there is comment, then this is what it will be, or else there will be nothing. So let's go to our browser, let's refresh it. We are getting something over here. Invalid parameter number of bound does not match the number of token on line 124. This 124. Select all from comment where comment on is this one. Okay. So it's not comma, it's supposed to be our notation. The name and the value. So now let's refresh it. Okay. So now click here and inspect. So as you can see, we have commented. Okay. And also this one too. Click here and inspect. Okay.